How to change Wi-Fi hotspot password. Hi everyone, it is GuideHacks, and in this video I will show you how to change Wi-Fi hotspot password. Now let's get started. First we need to open our settings. Then we should find option personal hotspot and tap on it. In appearance menu we see two options, allow others to join and Wi-Fi password. If you want to change the Wi-Fi hotspot password, you just need to tap on Wi-Fi password. Now you can delete the last password and write the new one. When you are finished, just tap on Done at the top right corner. Now you can switch on option Allow others to join, and your friends can connect to your Wi-Fi hotspot with the help of Wi-Fi. And that's all, it was how to change Wi-Fi hotspot password. Thanks for watching. If you found this video helpful, we would appreciate if you subscribe to our GuideHacks channel.